What is up, guys? My name is Chase, and check it out. $50 down the drain. I just got home from the Apple store. I picked up one of these iPhone 12 Apple silicone cases. And I think this will be fun. I've never used one of these silicone cases from Apple before. And basically the reason I didn't get like a cheaper case off Amazon is because pretty much all of the Amazon cases are sold out. Best Buy basically has no more iPhone 12 cases, so we had to get this one. Anywhoozles, let's open up some boxes. And it was like a really good little process to, they checked my temperature, they kind of screened me for COVID and everything. I went inside, I had a nice conversation with one of the specialists, and then I left. And it was, pretty easy. Alright, here we go. Alright. How does this come off? Okay. So there it is. You can see the little MagSafe ring on the inside. I don't know. I don't know what I think about a blue case on a blue phone, but whatever. It's just a stupid case. It does feel nice though. Being my first time actually using one of these cases, it does feel nice. Alright, popping in our phone. We're gonna go bam, bam. Ooh, that's neat. That was actually pretty cool. Holy cannoli, what was that? What just happened? I didn't even know that happens. So when we pop in the phone, there's like a cool little animation. That's fun. I mean, it's not like it means anything, but it's fun. Alright, so here's what it looks like. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of wanted something to contrast the blue, but in the end, I don't know. I just ended up going with blue on top of blue, which it looks fine, whatever. I'm not too picky about cases in the end. Oh, okay, that's something I was wondering about, the cutout. It's always a problem when, these cases have cutouts for the Switch. This one is not amazing. My least favorite types of cutouts are the ones where you have to actually like dig your finger into it. And this one is kind of that. It's a small little hole cutout. Which means that you have to kind of like dig your nail into it. Which I'm not a big fan of, but whatever. Has a nice little lip around it. It's good. You can put your phone face down. The screen doesn't touch the surface. Overall, feels nice. It's a little bit grippy, but it's like, at the same time, I feel like it's a little bit slippery, but it's better than no case, I will say that. Hopefully this case lasts me for at least a year, I want to say. That's basically what I use cases for. I like to have them for long term. I don't like to switch cases out too much. So hopefully this one lasts a while. Anyway guys, that was just a quick little video. iPhone 12 Apple silicone case. I don't think it comes with anything else. Yeah, it's just an empty box. Oh, it does come with stuff. We got paper.